Hey there, Tim and here, Tillman back at you. So today I've got this flashlight from WUBEN. This is the WUBEN X4. This thing is fantastic. I wanted to show it to you. I think you're going to enjoy this. If you're a flashlight geek like me, anybody can use this, all the way from somebody camping to a tactical situation. This thing is fantastic. I did receive this from WUBEN, and they did send it to me free of charge, but they're not telling me what to say. They're not paying me for this review. I always give you my honest opinion. I'm a super flashlight geek. If you've noticed, I've had a lot of videos on flashlights lately. They actually just sent this one to me. I didn't even know it was coming until it showed up here at the house. So I decided to go ahead and do a review on it. Now this flashlight is for anybody that's a DIYer, a camper. This can be used in a tactical situation. It has a tactical button where you push it in the back with your thumb, so it comes on that way. It even has, I'm going to turn on a strobe, so anybody that has issues with strobe lights, look away. So you push it in twice in the back. Okay, the strobe is done. So you push it in, this back button, you push it in twice and let it go, and it goes to strobe. You push it again twice and it stops, and then you just hold it down for like a regular flashlight. That's one of the things I really like about it, because sometimes I don't need to hit the on switch all, and keep a flashlight on. I'd look at something at my work and put it down, and I'm done with it. So you can even hit it with one finger. I'm a maintenance technician at a pharmaceutical company, and we had some contractors came in the other day, and they actually dropped this thing from about 8 feet up, and I picked it up, and there wasn't a scratch or anything on it. It is a little heavy. I've got my scale right here, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to zero it out, and it weighs a little over 5 ounces. When I handed it to the guy at work, he said, man, that thing seems a little heavy. By the time they were done using this thing, and after they dropped it, they were like, man, that thing's like indestructible. So here the flashlight is off. Here you have a moonlight, light, and then lock. Right now it's in the lock position. See those little arrows? They put it all the way up. You have the moonlight, which is just a really small map light. Go to back once. You have 1500 lumens. You can dial it down. When it blinks, that means it's as low as it can go. When you turn it back up to 1500 lumens, it'll blink, telling you that it's up as high as it will go. So, and then you hit the button to turn it off, and then turn it back on. I already did the strobe light, so you hit that with this light on. You hit it twice with the strobe light. Now, if you want to do the tactical button, or the tail button as they're calling it, you just push this button in right here. Push it in, comes on, let go, it turns off. And it's a tail or tactical button, which is pretty nice. So now you have the regular light, and then you can turn this one up. It's as high as it'll go. Turn down, it blinks as low as it'll go. You turn it high, and you push and hold. You go to RGB, and then you tick the dial button. Goes in between like 7 colors.
You're so colorful.
Which is really cool. Hold the button down again, you go back to regular light, turn it on, hold it down, you go to RGB, and you hit twice. It'll blink whatever color you have it in. And turn it off, hit once. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And it'll blink in different colors. Turn it off, turn it back on, and you can stroll through all the colors. That's pretty cool.
You gotta get me one of those.
Turn it back on, hold the button down, go back to regular light. Go back to regular light, and then if you want to turn it down, you can. Turn it off that way, and then this is how you access the USB-C charging port. And I'll show you the battery. It has a magnet here in the back.
Yeah. It's also a strong magnet.
And then you unlock it, you push this little button up. It actually takes some doing. So you unclip it, and then now if you push this button, it shows the battery. When you first get this, there's going to be a little plastic deal over the battery, so you have to open up and take that off. And then to lock it again, you push this back down, and it's locked. So now when I push that button, it can't open up. Again, magnet on the back, clip that you can put onto your hat or your pocket, and that's really neat. Just a really, really cool flashlight. Again, have it all the way up. Map light. So I've been clipping this on the side of my holstery nickel pouch. And it's just a little, right there, I've just been clipping it on the side with the clip. And that way, it's always on my side. So like I said, if you're a camper, auto car guy, I was literally I had to take my truck to the shop this morning, and I was literally using this thing to look for a coolant leak. I had to drop my truck back off at the mechanic and say, hey, we got a defective part. So luckily I had this, and I was actually found the leak with it this morning. Fantastic flashlight. I highly recommend it. I don't say that on a lot of stuff, but I highly recommend this flashlight. I hope you get some value out of my channel. If you do, I appreciate it if you go down and hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim and Air, 2, my back at you.
I'll be back.